You succeed best and quickest by helping others to succeed. Proverbs 11:25 says, "A generous person will prosper. Whoever refreshes others will be refreshed." In business and in life, the fastest way up is by lifting others. It sounds counterintuitive in a world that glorifies competition, but kingdom principles always flip the script. When you help others rise, you multiply value, not divide it. When you pour into people, opportunities pour back into you. Because God designed success as a shared experience, not a solo mission. Every entrepreneur who mentors, collaborates, or invests in others is building invisible equity, favor, influence, and trust that compound over time. So if you want to grow faster, serve deeper. If you want to reach higher, help others climb. Because the secret to sustainable success isn't selfishness, it's service.